Hi guys, this is Dayo. Welcome to another video. So if you're new to this channel, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So today I'm going to be showing you how to break down the eyebrow and how to draw them using big shapes. So yeah, this is the easiest way to break down the eyebrow. So I'm trying to use like the rectangular shapes just to like show the first flow of the eyebrow, and also the second flow, which is the rectangle triangle. Or you can also use a slanty triangle for the other plane of the eyebrow. So this is just like to show the form and to show the wrapping around of the eyebrow at the top of the eye. So yeah, it's very important to study that. I've done a tutorial on how to draw eyes separately. You can go check it out. So today we are just basically going to be um, focused on the eyebrow. So after you're done with replicating the shapes, and then you reduce opacity, then fill the sketch with a silhouette. Fill it with a silhouette and showing, like, fill it with a silhouette of whichever color you prefer. So showing the shape of the flow of the eyebrow. You can feed the end and feed the front, the beginning of the silhouette and the end. And make sure you reduce opacity of your lean sketch of the sketch. Then you just fill the colors, fill the base color of the eyebrow, just to give it that thickness. And also um, you can also reduce opacity of the brush, of the silhouette, sorry. Then after that, we can still go back to our reference to study the flow of the hair, which is exactly what has brought you here. You want to know how to draw the strands of the hair. First of all, you have to study the flow of the hair. As you can see, every individual hair has its own direction or flow of the hair. It goes on different directions individually. So you have to study how those hair flow individually, how those hair flow and wrap around the face at the direction of the flow of the hair. And so you can just draw some guidelines on the eyebrow if necessary, if you really need to draw it for your own practice. You can draw the guidelines on the reference, just to like help you to see and visualize easily, and also to replicate the the hair easily. So you can also separate your reference into two, just to see the difference between the one you've drawn a guideline on, and also the other reference that has no guideline. So you can just be checking both of them and replicating. It mustn't be perfect. You can just start off loose, and also gradually, with practice, you're going to perfect every stroke you're striking. So every stroke you're drawing now should be based on the direction of the eyebrows on your reference. Make sure you take it very serious, the flow and the direction of the strands of the eyebrow um, wrapping around the face. So it's very important. So after you're done with knowing the direction of the strand, then you are good to go. You can literally draw whichever type of eyebrow you want to draw. So as we all know, everyone has his own type of eyebrow. Everyone differs. The type of its eyebrow differs. Our eyebrow differs. Sorry. Um, some eyebrows are having more thicker hairs on it. Some are having lighter hair. Some are not even following the same flow of direction of strands on the of hair on the face compare to another. So yeah, you have to just study different types of hair eyebrow and also study the flow of the strands. That's all. So you're good to go. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.